Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix UK Immigration ID Check app not working on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you're experiencing this problem, there's a few ways how we can fix this. So the first way is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So click and hold down the app, long press, click on Add App Info, scroll down under Storage, click on Clear Cache. The second fix is go to our Play or App Store, search for UK Immigration ID Check and make sure UK Immigration ID Check is updated to the latest version. If it says update, go ahead and update the app. If it says open, you've already got the latest version installed. Third fix is to check our device compatibility. So you've got to ensure your device meets the app's requirements. So if you've got an iPhone, you need a Model 7 or newer running iOS 15 or later. If you've got an Android device, you will need an operating system version 10 or higher with NFC capability. Devices that are lacking NFC or running older operating systems may not support the app. Fix 4, make sure we've got to ensure a stable internet connection. So a reliable internet connection is crucial. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to determine the most stable connection. And if needed, we might need to reinstall the app. So go ahead and uninstall the app. So long press the app, uninstall, and then go ahead and re-download it on your Play or App Store. Restart your device and see if that fixes your issues.